Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today this video show you how to turn off two-sided printing for a PDF document. Open the PDF document. Click on menu and then select print. Choose your printer from the printer list. Then look for an option like print on both sides of paper. Uncheck this box. And then click print. If two-sided option is missing or not active, so click on properties, then select printing shortcut tab and look for an option print on both sides. And here select no. Click OK and then try to print. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.